Did you know that iOS 26 introduces a brand new preview app on your iPhone? It's now the default document and image viewer, packed with tools for scanning, annotating, signing forms, and even merging PDFs. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new document, scan papers, and save everything right from your iPhone. Let's start by creating a new document. First, open the Preview app. Choose where you want to save your work, under Recents, Shared, or Browse. For this guide, let's stick with Recents. Now tap New Document. From the quick menu, you'll see two choices, New Empty Image or New from Clipboard. Let's pick a new empty image. An untitled page opens up where you can start building your document. Tap the plus sign at the bottom right to add elements like text, stickers, shapes, images, or even your signature. If you want to rename it, tap Untitled at the top, select Rename, type in a name, then hit the Save button. Your new file will now appear in the Recents folder. Now let's go ahead and scan a paper document. To do this, get your document ready, then tap Scan Documents. Point or position your iPhone's camera at the page, hold steady, and your iPhone will automatically capture it with a click. A preview will also appear, so you can check the edges. If it looks good, tap the blue check at the top right to save. Just like that, the scan is added to your Recents. Now let's try to edit and save. To make edits, open the document and use the built-in toolbar at the bottom. You can crop, highlight, add text, insert shapes, or sign right on the page. When you're done, tap the back key to save your changes automatically. And that's it. With the Preview app in iOS 26, you can quickly create new files, scan documents, and make professional edits without needing third-party apps. If this video helped you master the new Preview app, give it a thumbs up and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.